Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video of 1-2 step. In this short tutorial video, let me show you how to find nearby people on Instagram. If you're trying to connect or find any people that are in your area or in your location, let me show you a simple trick from where you can find in people that live near your area. So what you need to do is just tap on the search bar on the bottom and then tap on the search bar on the top. Now here what you need to do is search for the exact location that you're on. You can search for the city, you can search for exact areas, so you just need to search it on the search bar. And if you tap on places on the top right, you can also see other areas that is related to the topic or the area that you added in. Now from here you can select other areas as well that is related, and from here it's going to show you the posts that people have added, and they have added their location or maybe they have added in hashtags as same to the location that you have searched for. So you can tap on any one of them, and if they are individual accounts you can just tap on them and you can follow them if you want as well. And through this section you can connect with other people that are nearby in your location. So that's how easily you can find nearby people on Instagram. I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.